If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like.
Hey, open the door, it's me. I can hear you in there. Come on, I'm dying out here. Hi. What do you mean, why am I over here in the middle of the day? Can't I just want to come over and say hi? Okay, fine. Well, as you know, it's really hot today, and of course it's just my luck that today is the day my air conditioning finally gave up. So can I please come in and use yours so that I don't actually melt into a puddle? Yay, you're the best. This is amazing. You know it takes me half an hour to get here from my place now that you moved? Half an hour of melting and complaining! But this AC might just be worth the suffering. Yeah, of course I phoned the landlord, but apparently they can't send anyone out until tomorrow morning. So I guess I'll be staying here tonight. Aw, you wouldn't really make me go home in this heat, would you? Not when you have such nice aircon system. It's up and running. That would just be cruel. Okay, fine. I didn't think that would work on you. You've never been one to fall for my methods of persuasion. Well, not the ones I use on most people anyway. But that doesn't mean I can't convince you. Let me stay the night and I'll give you the best Pamper Session of your life. How's that? I see that smile. You can try to cover it up, but I know you at least as well as you know yourself. I bet you were planning to ask for one as soon as you knew I wanted to stay over. And we're just waiting for the best time to bring it up. Am I right? Knew it. So, do we have a deal? Perfect. Then I'll make you melt. In a good way. Okay, so I have latex gloves, a feather, this thing that I think it's called a head massager. It's like a baking list to me, but okay, sure. And I have my freshly manicured nails. Yeah, it's almost like I was prepared to have a scalp scratch my way into your nice, cool apartment. Since this is your first session ever, I'll let you choose which of these tools I use on you first. Really? Well, if you're not going to pick, I'll do it for you. You shush, okay? I want to stay, and that means I need you to want me to stay. No talking and enjoying yourself. Feels nice, right? I'm watching lots of those ASMR videos to learn the triggers. This one is actually pretty common, which makes me wonder why it becomes so popular. Like, who has their ears rubbed often enough to realize they like it? Oh well, it doesn't matter, I guess. It only matters that you do, and I know for a fact that you're enjoying this. I pretty much felt it as soon as I started. Don't try to deny it. You're literally sitting there with your eyes closed. You love this. But this is only the start. Wait until I get my nails into that hair of yours. And I'll really have you melting. Snort. Wait, snort. Made you blush. Okay, now, shh. None of that. Just relax and enjoy. Wakey, wakey. Time for me to choose your next trigger. What should I pick? Well, I want you to do the head massager last, so feather. Oh, shush, I'm not sticking it up your nose or anything. It'll be fine. Now, shh. I never said speak. Yes, I was looking. Now, shh. This is a really big feather. I have no idea how they made it so big. Yeah, I suppose it works for this type of thing, doesn't it? I saw a bunch of this trigger in the videos too. And I still can't figure out why people like it. I mean, it isn't exactly that relaxing, is it? Exactly. I guess if it's not relaxing, I won't do it too much. Maybe a little longer while I figure out which trigger I'll move to. Oh, yes, right. I'll use the head massager and then move on to my nails for the grand finale. Similar triggers, I know, but you can tell me what you like more for next time. I want to convince you to do something for me. Hey, I put real work into these sessions. Do the research and my trigger tool. You should be thanking me, not making more sarcastic comments. You're welcome. Glad to see you have some manners. Now, let's get a move on. It's starting to get late and I want to order some food. No, I'll pay for my own food. I'm not destitute. But if you're offering, I won't say no to a pizza that I didn't have to pay for. You've earned yourself an extra thorough scalp massage as a real person. But first, a hair massager. If one day I discovered you were some kind of werewolf, I would not be surprised. Ever since the day we met, I've loved having your hair braided or your scalp scratched. Well, it's not a problem at all. It's actually one of the things that I like about being friends with you. Playing with the hair is super relaxing. And since you just won it, I don't have to play worried about last time. Or maybe someone like me. You like to really take control? That's one of the reasons that you like to be friends with me, right? No, because it's the last part of your best Pamper Session ever. My nails on your hair. Yep, it's that time already. Sit up straight again. And I'll get started. Started falling over my hair that last time. Actually, let me order first. Give me your phone. Because if you fall asleep, I might as well chill and eat rather than chill and eat if you could get here for another hour. Both know you'd fall asleep. Now, phone. Gimme. And ordered. Okay, now that it's on its way, I'll give you what you've been patiently waiting for since I arrived. Yes, all hungry. You're so needy. Yes, if the food comes before you fall asleep, you can have some. Well, maybe.